n8n is a flexible, open-source automation tool that streamlines workflows and connects apps effortlessly. With powerful integrations and customizable nodes, it helps businesses automate tasks and boost efficiency. Are you looking for a powerful, open-source workflow automation tool that gives you full control over your processes without the high costs of mainstream platforms like Zapier and Make.com? Meet n8n, a highly flexible and developer-friendly automation solution designed for businesses, developers, and organizations with unique data privacy needs. In this video, we'll explore why n8n is becoming a favorite among automation enthusiasts, its key benefits, how it compares to competitors, and real-world use cases that showcase its potential. n8n is an open-source workflow automation tool that enables users to connect various apps and data sources to automate repetitive tasks. Unlike Zapier or Make.com, n8n can be self-hosted, giving users full control over their data and workflows while also offering a cloud-based option for those who prefer managed hosting. With over 350 integrations, n8n allows for complex workflows, branching logic, and even custom scripting using JavaScript and Python. Whether you're looking to streamline business processes or integrate AI tools, n8n provides the flexibility to make it happen. 1. Open source and self-hosting capabilities. Unlike other automation tools, n8n is open source, meaning you can host it on your own server and avoid high operational costs. Self-hosting is free for personal use, making it a cost-effective solution for businesses that need to handle large-scale automation. The only cost is your server expenses, but you retain complete control over your data and security. However, setting up n8n requires technical knowledge, particularly in Docker and OAuth configuration for integrating services like Google Sheets. 2. Flexibility and extensibility. n8n is incredibly versatile, handling both simple and complex workflows with ease. Workflows can branch, merge, iterate, and include loops, allowing for highly customized automation sequences. Supports JavaScript and Python scripting, enabling advanced users to enhance their automations with code. 3. Developer-friendly features. JS everywhere. n8n fully embraces JavaScript, allowing users to write code snippets within workflows. The self-hosted version supports external npm packages, enabling even more powerful scripting capabilities. While Python execution is possible, it comes with certain limitations. 4. Integrations and nodes. n8n boasts over 350 integrations with popular apps and services, making it a highly adaptable tool. A visual interface makes it easy to connect different services and customize workflows. A library of pre-built workflows helps users get started quickly. 5. Strong community and support. An active user forum where members provide help, often within an hour. Extensive documentation available to assist with setup, troubleshooting, and workflow optimization. A constantly growing ecosystem with user-contributed nodes and workflows. 6. Pricing and cost effectiveness. The self-hosted version is completely free unless you're offering n8n as a SaaS product. Unlike Zapier and Make.com, n8n does not charge per task or operation, making it highly cost-efficient. The cloud-hosted version still offers competitive pricing compared to alternatives. Here are some real-world applications of n8n. Automate WooCommerce subscription order notifications via Telegram. Create email campaigns based on LinkedIn post interactions. Generate and schedule reports automatically. Integrate AI-powered chatbots or data analysis tools for enhanced decision-making. 1. Zapier versus n8n. Zapier is user-friendly but lacks deep customization options. It gets expensive with high-volume workflows. n8n offers more flexibility, coding capabilities, and cost-effectiveness. 2. Make.com, formerly Integromat, versus n8n. Make.com offers an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, making it great for beginners. However, it charges based on workflow complexity, making n8n the better choice for intricate automations. 3. Pipedream versus n8n. Pipedream is developer-friendly, with built-in support for custom code execution. n8n offers better workflow visualization and more extensive integrations. 4. Mautic and n8n. n8n extends Mautic's marketing automation capabilities, making it a valuable add-on. n8n is ideal for developers looking to leverage coding skills for advanced automations. Businesses that need cost-effective automation solutions. Organizations with strict data privacy requirements that necessitate self-hosting. Tech-savvy users who want full control over their automation workflows. n8n is a game changer in the workflow automation space, offering the perfect balance of power, flexibility, and cost savings. If you need highly customizable, open source automation and don't mind handling the technical setup, n8n is a top choice. Want to try it out? Head over to n8n.io to get started today. Thank you for exploring n8n Workflow Automation, the open source powerhouse for automating your business with us. Are you excited about the video? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more cool AI tool recommendations, like, share and subscribe to check out these videos next.